Hello and welcome back to another episode of our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you to fix Virgin credit card app not working. Now to fix this problem, firstly you need to check if you're running updated version of it or not. For that, head over to the Play Store and there search for Virgin credit card app. Now tap on update button if you can see update button on your screen. If you're seeing open button instead of update button, then you're running latest version of it. If you have updated the app, head over to the app and try to open the app. But if doesn't fix your problem, then head over to the next method, which is to clear cache from your app. Now for doing that, head over to the settings on your device and search for apps and again tap on manage apps. Now in here search for Virgin credit card. Once you found it, tap on it and get into it. Now tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. This should fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then head over to the next solution, which is to remove the app completely from your device and reinstall the app. Now to remove the app, tap on uninstall, and once your app get uninstalled, head over to the Play Store and there search Virgin credit card app. Tap on install button to install your app. Now once your app get reinstalled to your device, it will definitely solve your problem. I hope this video was useful. If it was, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you're new to our channel, turn on the notifications so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.